about who we are, we're gonna remind you. We are Team Phoenix, couldn't be prouder. We're on fire, so shout a little louder. We're Team Phoenix, couldn't be prouder. We're on fire, so we're shout a little louder. We're Team Phoenix, couldn't be prouder. We're on fire, so we're shout a little louder.
I guess they stuck it with me. Which is fine.
So I'm Jack Platt. I sell new houses up at Tiffany Greens. And last week we had somebody come in. They really wanted a house that we currently have. One of our spec houses, a 2-story, but it backs up to a road, a two-lane county road behind the subdivision. And they have little kids, so they really didn't want to do that. They wanted a fence, but the subdivision doesn't allow for fences, which we're working on as well. But they decided, why can we have that lot right there and build that house on that lot right there? And I said, well, we have a little problem. We have a builder that already has that lot committed. He's reserved it. Let me call him and find out what the story is there. The builder says, well, I've already got it permitted and staked. I got a tractor parked outside the subdivision. And he's ready to dig. I said, well, if these people want to build with this other builder, are you cool with that? And he said, if the other builder wants to pay the fees I have in it already, I'll let him have it. Called the other builder. The builder said, absolutely, I'll do that. We met with the clients on Friday, sat down, went over all the changes that they want made to the existing house, which resulted in a house that went from about 415 to 470. And they said, okay, sounds good.